Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to talk about how to download and install Citrix Gateway plugin on your computer. So if you are someone who is trying to connect to a Citrix environment and you're trying to download Citrix Gateway plugin, so what you have to do is you need to first go to this particular URL, which is citrix.com/en-in/downloads /citrix-gateway. I'm going to mention this URL in the video description. You can use that link to download this software. So in order to download Citrix Gateway plugin, what you have to do is you have to click on all types on the left hand side, and you see different versions here. You see Citrix Gateway 13.0, Netscaler Gateway 12.1, 11.1, Access Gateway. So what you have to do is you need to click on plugins, clients. So once you click on plugins and clients, you see Citrix Gateway plugins and clients. So you can right click on it. Okay, so it is going to take you uh, to the page where you can download the software. Okay, so it will take you to the place where you can download the software. But at any point in time, if you want to download a previous version, this was released on August 27, 2021, which is the day before yesterday. But if you want to download a previous version, you click on earlier versions and you can choose one of these plugins. Okay, you can choose one of these plugins. So or you can just click plugins and clients here. Once you click on plugins and clients, you see Citrix Gateway plugin and clients for 13.0, and for Netscaler Gateway 12.1 you see Citrix Gateway plugins and clients. So just click on this as well if you wish. And it will take you to a different screen. Okay, so here you will find all the okay, so it took you to the screen. So what you can do is you can just click this drop down box. You can select what you actually want to download. Do you want to download Citrix Gateway plugin for Windows 64-bit or 34-bit? Okay, or you want to download Citrix Gateway endpoint analysis plugin for Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. So mostly I think you have to download this one. So just select the appropriate option which you like, and you can scroll it down and you can just download and install it on your computer. Okay, so these are the previous versions. If you want to download, you can just download the file and run it on your computer. This is for Windows operating system. All right, so yeah, so basically you have to select the right version and start downloading it. But if your IT team has recommended a particular version of software, maybe if they have asked you to download 21 point, maybe they have asked you to download a previous version. Let's say for example, let's go down. Okay, okay, so if they have asked you to download Citrix. Okay, yeah, maybe if they have asked you to download Citrix Gateway plugin for Windows 32-bit or 64-bit, which was released on March 31st, 2021, you can download this. So yeah, just download this software and install it and restart the computer. Restart is really required. So after restarting it, it should probably work. And at any point in time, if you have any questions or concerns, you can just leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you on this. I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you.